that notification is given here that on this day, 22, that office assistant 6 and grade 4, 6 for Churachandpur Medical College is interview is being done in Impal, regarding this one. So there is no information to the public through news, media, and also through employment exchange. So regarding this, why it is not given? We want to ask you.
No, in that matter, I have no idea in that matter. You please, we have our director's number. You can contact director and ask him for that. Please, I don't have any idea.
Because you are in charge of this.
No, not in charge. Director is in charge. I'm just assisting, and my order is still not yet confirmed to be here. So I have no idea. I'm just assisting the college.
So the director is not sitting here or what?
Yeah, he's coming. He's in there.
When will he be coming?
He may come here in the evening today.
In the evening.
What time can we expect him to come?
At what time he will be coming, and at what time can we meet him?
By 3 p.m. around there.
3 p.m. Okay, we'll come here again by 3 p.m. Okay, please inform to him that the media want to meet him. Okay. And also, I want to ask one more question, sir, please, if you don't mind. And that is why the interview is being done in Impal and not there.
That you please make better to be some health staff maybe.
Only those two guys knows and no other candidate from Churachandpur. Which newspaper do you give out the notification?
No, that I have no idea. Do you please come at around 3:30
The main thing that we want to know is, and the point of complaints that we want to make is the failure on the part of the authorities in making advertisement in the local paper or whatever. Okay, this is the main issue.
Yes.
So it should be made known to the public prior to the interview. At least some time should be given, during which every willing candidate have to be given the chances for preparation or application. So nothing has been done in this connection. So that's why we thought that this is something which is very, very unfair.
Yes. So
That does not go through the employment exchange.
My earnest request is that all are requested to be present by 3:30.
Okay.
Yeah, that might be. Yeah, we'll wait him also. But as a PA to the director, we want to ask you this question. The time of interview is 11 a.m. today, and the office number of director CMC, Directorate of Manipur Health Service, room number 221. Is this at Impal?
Yes.
If it is at Impal, why the recruitment is going to happen here? Why is not happening here?
Sir, by the way, do you know how many candidates are applying?
Can you give us the list of candidates who are applying?
These documents are there. All the documents are there. I don't have any idea. Please come.
Okay, we'll
busy
come.
with the admission process.
Yeah,
So we'll come
We are
here.
also busy with the admission process.
no, just bear us for some time. We know we are busy.
No, that's why he doesn't know. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, we'll come by 3:30.
30 lo asilum na tatata begin daw
See, there is one thing. The local residents should be given at least some chances in everything. Of course, if they are qualified, and if they are not qualified, to is another.
to the Churachandpur Media Teni Tamimuna Medical College to ni post som ko le kha ong ding ya tam te hi tu ni ala din ki chia ta tinga notification dung zuin hi da som le kha cheng ding ya tu ni tarik som ni le li November tarik October tarik som ni le li ya Tamimuna Director pa ki mo pi ding pe ya hi Tami Bangziak Director pa ki mo pi u da hi chi ai le kha na tambanga post pa mo Churachandpur Lamka office nga medical college wa post ong som ko le khat te hi bang newspaper a ki so hi publicity ki bole to chen hi employment exchange a through se tu ni interview ding hi le bang ni atami muna ki bol lo hi phaya ni Bangziak ko ne chi ho pi ding director pa ki mu pi ding ki pe ya hina le tami muna office admission hi chin boy wa ko bang ma ka the kha si director pa da thum chang pe ding chi ya turin kami tung tanga hin lam kami mipite'n zo si ni kitay chian mo na tambanga government employment tamna alis ka tema tammi hile artist modeler khat ding ya technical assistant khat ding laboratory tech ni ding ya LDC khat kila ding ward attendant ni kila ding dissection hall attendant ni kila ding sweeper ni kila ding ko ba hi ami post som khat ni ding ya to ba na post credit for department of physiology department technical assistant thum LDC khat ward attendant khat sweeper thum ami posi group aya som khat le group ahida to bana anoya posi som ni le group ding ya technical assistant LDC ward attendant sweeper mi thum am tengi som ni le group ding ya to bana chief librarian khat librarian assistant khat catalog khat to cha LDC khat documentalist khat ding ya to library assistant ding ya grade 4 post ni ma tam teng som kha ya un ka gom khom si ni post som po le po hi tammi hi lamka dinga tammi medical college a mi ki employee hi ai le lamka mi Bangziak apply ken bangana theu newspaper a visualo employment exchange umlo tu ni ade ta tammi kinwa thei pan hi je ni media ten hi koi ma dem na hi lo in tammi mi pc le tang hi dotna lian pi ki u da tamna notification deong chin au ma pakum tammi tung ta in bange nangjong social activist ka na hi a mo tammi lamka cmd hi le lamka ma la hoi lo hi lo le procedure bang chi pe hi de bang ji a tammi hi lamka mi ta de pom ha hi de gel su MLA hil dimo hi lo health director hil dimo director pa bang chi cha ho pi de
dena again bang mo director pa kha da lakom tung din wa ka da tu le kim mo wa lak cha kha he resting den ko pai ko mo do he ikim pi do mo wa ka ki mu pi so do wa director pa to ho ta ka tu kan chian de wa ba na ene thuina sa da na kha health minister ban le ale tu tan tra Bangziak ka he la ko office ki hong nai lo wa director pa Bangziak ka info la to la Bangziak ka he tu lo wa chi ka wa so no mai chu Bangziak ka he la mo na Churachandpur Medical College Center ka director pa tu kunta wa la ka info la tu ding no lo wa chi dik ta mo wa ba na ya interview di ichi chang ha he la ka Churachandpur Medical College se he la ko office le on vet ta che he ya mo training center le on office le ki se ta he la ka le interview ne ki ma ta chi a building ta ki patle ya staff ke ki patle ki te wa ja ka info la ma kha wa la muna interview ne kha apoi mo na no ba ma the no ma wa ba na apoi mo ma chu dena to isu pen ta he la ka notification ne chena he la ka tunia interview di akichi office assistant google grade 4 google kichi kha to notification ki bia kha 18 October re chu mo he ya dire 18 October nunga kha public information news media te flash lo wai bana employment exchange sa lo tu ni som de gia ra ki patu ni som ni de yen ni ke khan to ma to me chu mo wai ki ka bang le at least one more notification on ngai chu wai bang le bang che da na hi ki bang omthei chi kha a thu kha ki thei chian no ma hi wai kha
tammi nang ge dai le police akila ding ale zong employment exchange sa application na hun ding newspaper tan ki so ni ya tuni la di ya di si ji ge nai sia ale ong rule of procedure dong zui ni lamka mi Bangziak na the po si sa pi som ko le ko kila ding mo po som ko le ko kila ding ko lamka mi te Bangziak na the han na mo kwa mi hin to ja hi ambang sep na koi mo sep na ha lai ni ala di te ku ama u thu to manipulate the mo bang he sung ga jet a ki so bang chi ya newspaper ki so lamka post news ni pen Manipur Express ki dot te sha exchange office phone ki kola athei khasiwa koina the ding ta chi le bol thei sunei te ni amau dei sa gua hen the mo hi lo le deserving ta te na mo ding chi director bang page ai answer na di ya kami teaching bang under he na ki bola ai le kami ni te ni ngai sim the lo te media te ha ba
adikai wat en kha yai ma ban ma le yai dan te kha ki question na mi mipite'n mo mipite to yai ka hong ki pursue to zel dinga ya wa ka illegal ai zakena den changena case pangle le na din muna ya mo wa zakena ka mipite pang kom diwa Hiai Churachandpur Medical College kha Lamka mipite hi mo sikai thei dis Hiai sunga thiltung te staff te hina office a thiltung te kha mipite to pangko ma maban na le thei cheti nei tu hi na kha mangi lo de ya press hina Hiai la social activities na ka pana na te khami pite na oi takilo na ki tuam le pi le chna ka anei tu ei public hi Hiai MLA khatia mai kele kwajam khat director khatia mai kele minister khatia mo akele party khat a hiroa mipite a hi chika mipite le awareness ne wa hoi pan khoma nei tu hi na banga ye pen kha mipite na banga dan banga apai ni ngai
tu ni press ten de ki mu piwo public interest IT matter medical college recruitment chungchang di ho gan khopna ine na wen keiman ka standpoint le government in a rule semo government in post create a bolo ye post create ki bol ho zo sia chu government rules dung zuya a post kha transparent taka so to a rule dung zui taka bol kha ye kha ka standpoint he ka din pi he a rules a recruitment regular post adinga hung ki bol dinga iti hoile notice information om sa oma je government in regular post adinga hung ki bol phate le hoi taka notification newspaper tina ahun ki peka ye phachule public eligible persons on alenga head thedingo ye phachule applicable thedingo computable thedingo haken kadoi sak pe anai
ai le pamang ta tami post som le ni ta demo he suma pat koi thua ki apply he ta le bang ta na sep dingo
ye wang chu jani jang kha ken le ke he da kha ke le confuse ka he le chu medical director kha ka donga telephone kha ama khan ye post te le chu regular post tampi ki bol pen kha ei po hen je ama office staff adinga temporary a ye ke lago he ti kha ei gen aban chu ken le gen ke he de po
ama office staff adi le som le ni ta hi a tamte hi Impala interview khela ei lam mipite'n zong grade 4 assistant ding na apply tampium ding a tammi employment exchange zong tuan khasian major newspaper te ong kisu khasia tammi ta za pi director khanin ama personal ta za pi employee the mo bang tan set diu post som kol kom te ta tamte bange ki khian na
ye wang chu rules le a procedure ti chu medical directorate ten happen de he ai chu medical directorate noya umahe medical department noi umahe as an MLA chu ai chu ye rules regulation hola ye pena he information chu kinai lo he ahin la ken ka gan u pen chu rules government notification a kham hilak di dana hoi ta ka prescribe ki bol pen kha chu hoi ta ka mi pi he ta prescribe rules dung zu ya bolding mi zo sia na heading mi zo sia apply heading eligible person zo sia candidates on apply heading pen he ye chu oi mo ka sak pen he je kha bol na di te le ki godinga he pan mun le ki la ding ai ti ka